And hello everyone, MiamiCOIndiana showing you my new vacuum cleaner that I just purchased. It's called the Quantum X. I'm going to show you little features, going to run it a little bit, show you how it works, and tell you my opinion of it. Let's see what it says on the box. It's the only upright vacuum with water filtration technology. Mother's Nature filter water, no HEPA, dry filters, so you don't have to worry about ever changing any filters. All floor surfaces automatically adjust to all floor surfaces, picks up wet spills, even pet stains, and has something called antibacterial microsilver, proven to reduce germs and bacteria. Can't tell you much on that, don't know much about it. Also, it does come with this, though, I like, 3-year warranty, and they also let you use it in your home 30 days. If you're not happy, you can return it. Here's the accessories that all come with it. That hose in the back is a 10-foot hose, but it flexes and stretches to about 12 feet. Plus you have those 3 extension bars. Then your normal attachments, like this is a dusting brush. This is like an upholstery. You can slide this part off and then you can do wet pickups with it. And that is a crevice tool, all comes with it. Of course, you get the manual with it. And you also get that bag. And that holds all of your accessories. And they even put a little hook on the top here. You can just hang it in your closet. And I like that because you can keep all your hoses and accessories in the bag when you need them. You know where they are. You don't lose them that way. So I've only used this machine once, but let me tell you the story about why I wanted to make sure to get this. Water filtration. I used to own this machine here. Well, I still own this machine. This is a old Rainbow. You see, it is a Rainbow, made by Rex Air. I bought this machine used, and I bought it about 20 years ago. And when I bought it, it was 20 years old, and I knew that. I bought it from a vac shop used because I wanted water filtration technology, which this one has. It was the first one to do it. Hard to get that pan off, sorry for all the noise. And it's going to look dirty and crummy. This machine is 40 years old. But there's where you put the water, and then when you use the vacuum, of course it did have a hose and a beater bar attachment that I do still have, and then you vacuumed and all the dirt went into the machine, into the water where it stayed. And it worked beautifully, but it died. The motor went out on it, but can I complain? The machine lasted 20 years for me. I bought it when it was 20 years old. So this machine is over 40 years old before it died. So it was a fantastic machine and did a fantastic job. It just lived out its life expectancy. So I went to this. Back to the dry method. This is called the Bissell Power Force. And I thought I was doing a good job using the Bissell. My Rainbow there died about a year ago, so I've been using this for about a year, and noticed within just a few months more dust on furniture. Things are dustier. The carpet didn't look as good, and this thing smelled terrible. I turned it on and a cloud of dust comes out and just smelled awful. So I knew it was not doing the job that this one did. So I definitely wanted to get another water filtration, and that's when I stumbled across the Quantum X upright water filtration vacuum. I already got it loaded with water. There you see the water loaded to the max line there, maybe slightly over, but I think we're okay. This is the rose gold color. Beautiful, beautiful machine. I've already used it once, and unbelievable performance. Can't be more happy with it. It's easy to use. I love that it's water trap and it's in an upright version. I was a little leery because my feeling was I always felt canisters because they're bigger, had more power. And this one holds 1 quart of water, where my Rainbow held 2 quarts of water. So that's half the capacity of the water. My feeling though, I could just empty the water more often. I don't think I'm going to have any qualms with either of those. This thing is powerful. It works beautifully. In just 1 year, because of using that, my carpets are full of dirt and dust again. Because when I used my Rainbow, I could vacuum my entire house, which I don't have a huge house. I have a living room, dining room you can see here, couple bedrooms, hallway, pretty small house. I could run the Rainbow through the entire house and the water would just be a little gray with a little dust on top. When I first used this, my goodness, it was just full of dirt. After just 1 room it was full of dirt. It's because that machine was not doing the job, because dry filtration, for a few reasons, just don't do the job water filtration does. One of the main things I can tell you is why the dry vacuums that don't use water, their filters get clogged. I'm not trying to go off of any sales pitch. I'm going by my own use. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm not sponsored by any of these vacuums. Don't work for Rainbow. Don't work for Bissell. I don't work for Quantum X. I've just been a customer of all three. But when those filters get clogged, and they get clogged fast, they don't pick up anymore. They lose their airflow, and you can't pick up the dirt. What dirt you do pick up is mostly carpet fuzz and light stuff. All the heavy dirt, sand and grit just stays right in the carpet. And it really is true. So I am very happy to go back to water filtration. So let's go ahead and give this little bad baby a test run here and let you show how it runs. It's going to be noisy. All vacuums are, aren't they? So let me wheel it out here. I love how you turn this machine on too. It is a little red light. All you have to do is touch it. And we're vacuuming. Oh, it's so easy to use. I love the lights in the front. I have a mirror over here so you can see. I'm telling you, the airflow that has is tremendous. And my friends, that's what you got to have, airflow. If you don't have airflow, you're not going to be picking up the dirt. I mean, in just that short amount of time, look at this water already. Not because I don't want to clean and didn't want to be clean for the last year, because this one broke. Using this one just did not do the job. The proof is in the carpet. So I can just tell you, my friends, this machine far exceeds my expectations. It is a fantastic vacuum. Not trying to sell you on any vacuums, but the next time you shop for a vacuum, and there's many on the market now, go for water filtration vacuums. Whether it's a canister, upright, if it's going to be an upright, there's the one. Quantum X is what you want to get. You can also add scents to the water if you want to put a fresh scent into the air. You can use above floor cleaning. You can pick up wet spills with it. Again, far exceeded my expectations. It is a fantastic product. This is January 2020. The price I paid for this unit was $399. I can't tell you that's what it's going to be now. I'm just going to let you know that's what I paid for it. Worth every single penny, because I absolutely love it. This is MiamiCOIndiana. Leave your comments below on what you think if you use water filtration, what you think the best vacuum is. Until next time, I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching. So long.